Guys, I'm talking to you through my microphone, through my audio amplifier, and to my speaker. How am I doing this? How am I doing this really? Genuinely. It's really weird to think about. But in reality, I'm just using a couple wires, switches and capacitors, inductors and everything else with the resistors and a speaker. Using complicated electromagnetism or whatever. Who cares? This is an audio amplifier. I bought this audio amplifier for cheap because this is way cheaper than making my own audio amplifier. I got this for $3. You know how many capacitors there are here? And I have this 3-watt speaker. Yes, this completely fills up my room. It had too much ringing before. Now I'd say it's okay. I added this capacitor and this capacitor. A small capacitor value. So just add a small capacitor. Never go with a big capacitor. On the internet there's a lot of stuff about audio amplifiers. Everybody seems to want to make an audio amplifier. And AI told me to add a 4000 microfarad capacitor, and that ringing was... Yeah, I blew out my eardrums, both of my eardrums. I can't hear properly. So this is a Class D audio amplifier, which is why I don't need a smoothing capacitor. So under here is two MOSFETs that run a half-bridge orientation. That half-bridge switches the audio on and off, so it's an amplifier. There's a preamplifier over here, and I have my 12 volt to 24 volt input and my microphone. I have a condenser microphone, which is why I need to charge the capacitor. So I charge it through a 5 kilo ohm resistor so I can charge it from 12 volts. I recommend you do this. It's a pretty simple project. I 3D printed a case, super nice. Twist the wires for interference. The capacitors were the biggest thing. Now what I love doing is I love getting an extension cord and putting the speaker in my hallway so I can do this. Could you guys please subscribe? It means a lot to me. Thank you. So this works by basically getting input, microphone input, which is millivolts from a condenser style microphone like this. Then you use a preamplifier to amplify it a bit, and then you feed that into a gate drive chip for the half bridge. And then with that you can really turn on and off the MOSFETs, and with that you can drive the MOSFETs into the speaker, and this drives the coil. So basically it's a half bridge. I haven't tried it, but technically you could drive transformers with this, which is very exciting, so let's try that. Do I need a lower or higher voltage? Maybe. Some experiments fail. Sometimes you win, sometimes you fail.